Specifically, I'm standing on the matter under Standing Order 14, matter of urgent public importance. Yesterday, we just confirmed this House, Your Honor, the Speaker, we just confirmed the Inspector General, the new Inspector General, but I'm licensing to put it on record that one of our members, a member from Kota, Honorable Jeff, has been attacked at a house using youth. So I would like to pray that the people who invaded our house can maybe through this we can find a lasting solution, because the Minister of Homeland Security is here and the Deputy, but her house was invaded this morning by youth from a DPP using a DPP vehicle. They went to claim that she was assigned a vehicle in 2016, but she never returned when she was serving as a deputy SG in DPP. So the brother has been heavily injured as we're speaking, and the honorable member is not in this house today because she's extremely traumatized. So I'm listening to ably ask that maybe the youth out there can learn. So I would like to, I've indicated, Your Honor, through you, Mr. Speaker, I've indicated that I'm listening under Standing Order 14, which is within the rules of this House. You may wish the Deputy Leader to get yourself a few lines out of that, and I'll respond. But I stand to be guided. I would like to stand that, to confirm that what I'm saying has just happened, and would like to seek for a new lease of life as we proceed as a country. We have had bad experiences, which members in this room know that I stood and condemned, and I'm standing today also in opposition to condemn that and to ask if we can start living in peace. Unity in political diversity is what is going to build this great nation. Let us rise above petty political bickerings and petty political interest. If I've gotten out of hand, out of that, Speaker, please take it. But Honorable Speaker, I thank you for giving me time. I know I didn't exhaust the interest of that standing order, but many thanks because you gave me a space to be heard. Thank you so much, Your Honor, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Thank you. Leader, let me just respond to that before you come in. I think, yeah, in his last statement, I think he acknowledged that he didn't follow the right procedure, and I wanted to guide him, unless you want to say something different.
Honorable Speaker, the Standing Order 14 is straightforward. It is during question time. We are not in question time right now. This is a debate. Now, while the matter is critical, the matter must be addressed. But I think the mode of bringing the matter into the House is not right. We should not bulldoze. We should follow proper procedures. For you to rise, for one to rise under this standing order, first of all, it must be question time. Secondly, you must move to adjourn the House. That's what the standing order says. So it is irregular. It is not in order for the honorable member to rise on a point of order on this particular issue. As I said, the matter, as you are saying, this government does not condone lawlessness. It does not condone lawlessness. And if there are certain individuals that they would want to be wearing the cap of DPP and they would want to be causing havoc, that we detest. But the mode of bringing the matter here is what is irregular. I wanted us to address that. I submit, Honorable Speaker, sir.
Thank you, Leader. I wanted to rule on that. Indeed, the procedure was not followed, Honorable. You know the procedure. If you fill the form and do the procedure, we can look into that. But also, listening to your speech, I don't think that we can get involved at this time it looks like it's more personal. You said she took a car and she's not giving a car. So we can't be talking about all these incidents in Parliament. Later, if there's a problem, report to the police. If the police are not assisting you, bring that to our attention. We'll discuss it with the cops. But any small incident that happens there to a member of Parliament should be coming here. We'll be wasting more time on that than deliberating on our issues. That seems more like a personal issue. If they can't fix it, we'll come in and assist. I think let's leave it at that. Thank you. I see Minister of Defense rising.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, for giving me the opportunity. I just wanted to comment that indeed these are personal issues. I was hacked by the MCP government on 24th October 2024 at Mpingu, where my BMW was actually destroyed. I never brought the issue to Parliament. 2021, my 67 acres of bananas, the MCP guys who I know damaged it in full. I never brought the issue to Parliament. He was the Minister of Youth then. He knows the story, but personal issues are to be dealt outside Parliament. So don't act clean. MCP, you are full of blood. MCP, you are damagers. Don't paint DPP in that vein. Personal issues should be dealt outside Parliament. I submit.
Thank you, Honorable Minister of Defense. I did make a ruling on that, and that matter is now closed.